I love our fans, and I kind of notice it when you look up at the national anthem and you kind of look around and everyone is like, wow, there's not a lot of empty seats. I know they're standing, but and then they're so loud, and it really, it builds that momentum for our guys. And you talk to the football guys, talk about the 13th guy or whatever they talk about, but for us, that's our extra 7th guy out there, and it makes such a difference.
A battle for second in the West. Waters inside! Inside, Bouncer scores! Takes it. Move inside! Far side, short side, come on! Down the pipe. He'll take a shot, Bouncer. Rebound! Oh, and Del Bianco. Post to post. His final tonight. Good vision. This went Briniak driving, save Del Bianco. Team to Cook. High steal. One more to Pace. Shot scores! Picks up 4.